Thank you all for your support and your nice comments. It is so nice to know that he was loved by so many people. So here is some last footage of him on Chateau La Pierre, and may he rest in peace. Diesel enjoying his meal. A little bit rainy today, so he's wearing his raincoat. He's still going, getting old, but still going. Still eating. And he has a great time here. He can walk freely everywhere. He doesn't bark at all, actually. So I'm quite surprised with that. Yeah, because it's nice and quiet and peaceful here. I think he noticed that. So it's a great place to be for people and animals. Yeah, he still likes his dinner, so. Already 18, unbelievable. A real Diesel, still going. So the windows have to dry, the little windows, the plaster, so I can do something else in between. Now I'm on the first floor. Look at this beautiful window. And here, the floor, some hole in there. So see if I can fix that, but I see that it is everywhere bad. See what I can do. Yeah, because I can fix the little part, but I think the rest is needed too, but I have to talk about it. Okay. I also don't trust the construction anymore. There are a lot of nails. Well, you don't use nails in the floor like this, because you don't need it. So it's also seen that it is, they put the saw in here. So yeah, I have to saw this piece out. Because yeah, I don't trust this. Okay, there it goes. Oh. Let's see. So it was not so strange that it came down, because he is nothing anymore. So if I can now try to take this part out. Yeah, try to get the other part out and then see what we can do about it. Well, what a mess. Totally rotten. Okay, let's take it all out. Okay, take it all out because, what a mess. Well, so okay, everything is out. I put a little blanket there for the dust. So, gonna make a new frame. And then so now I made this new frame. So you can see it's much higher. Now it is straight to the floor. But I'm not there yet, because this one can easily go back like that. This one here is broken out. So we need to make something under there. Okay. Let's see what I can do. So that will do. Now to have a support here. And it have a support here. So, okay. So I prepared everything so everything can I can put everything back. Sometimes with a little nail that it doesn't move, but not everything. And I will show you that you have to do it carefully and in the corners. Yeah, like that. So then you don't see it on the surface. Because this is really not necessary. It's really a pity because, yeah, it's difficult to get that fixed. Okay. And there it is. So it is done. That was not easy, but I'm glad that it is done.